What's up? It's Kyle from Ante Graphic Supply, and today I'm going to show you EasyWeed Matte Black and just regular EasyWeed Black. What's the difference? This is a skull I printed, and it's actually cut straight down the center. One half's matte, one half is regular EasyWeed. So I'm going to press them on the shirt so you guys can see the difference. So we got the EasyWeed. I don't even know which one's which. They look exactly the same. EasyWeed versus EasyWeed Matte. I'm going to press this on the shirt. You guys can tell me which one's better. So with the EasyWeed Matte, it presses exactly the same as the regular EasyWeed. Like I said, I'm not even sure which one's which, so I'm just going to go ahead and press this one. When we do sell these, we actually mark them with an orange sticker. It's actually a piece of Orcal 631. We put a little tiny sticker we put on the sheet of the rolls. That way, when you if you order regular black and matte black, you'll be able to tell which one's which. So I got the one on here. I'm just going to press it. This is regular EasyWeed, so 305 for 15 seconds. I'm a big fan of the matte over the regular. I'm hoping that Caesar releases more colors. Alright, so EasyWeed is a hot peel. You just go ahead and peel that. I'm not going to show it to you guys yet because I want you guys to see them both together, and you can tell me which one's better. So I'm just lining up the next one. Try and overlap a little bit so there's no seam, but I'm not making any guarantees. Alright, that's the best I got for now. I don't want to spend here all day. Alright, so the other one, 305 for 15 seconds. We'll let that go. Alright, feel that hot. Hopefully you guys will be able to see the difference here. I can. You see the difference? I can get that light shining on it. So this is the regular EasyWeed, and then this is the EasyWeed Matte. Hey, I can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. Go get yourself some matte vinyl. Alright, if you have any questions about this, put it in the comments. Also put a link in the description to pick up some matte vinyl. Matte black vinyl, we have it in 12 by 15, 12 by 5, and 15 by 5 yards. All Caesar brand. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thanks.